Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix rounded shoulders. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As all of us spend most of our time sitting in a poor posture, this may cause us to have rounded shoulders. Rounded shoulders are not just about the appearance, it is multiple. It is about your neck, your shoulders, and most of the pain you have on this area and around it. So, it is a postural issue that is not usually unsightly visually, but also it affects your neck, your breathing, and your shoulders mechanism, even your lower back, because every part of our body is connected together. In many cases that have pain in some areas of the entire back or neck, this goes away by posture correction. There are lots of videos on our channel about posture correction. You can check them out too. But in today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 2 tests that can help you to find out if your shoulder is rounded or not, and 5 ways to fix the rounded shoulders. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Rounded shoulders test. Test number 1. Stand with your normal posture. The important thing is where are your palms and your thumbs. If your palms are toward your sides and your thumbs are forward, you don't have rounded shoulders. But when your palms face back and the thumbs face towards the thigh, you certainly have rounded shoulders. Test number 2. Stand near a wall, put your pelvis and your mid-back against the wall, and then put your head on the wall. Now, stand normally. If there is a gap between your shoulders, your head, and the wall, your shoulders are rounded. Now, let's talk about the rounded shoulders exercises. Number 1. Neck stretch. When you have rounded shoulders, your trapezius and scalene muscles are also engaged in this issue. So, this will cause neck pain and headache for you. The upper muscle in your neck, which is on the back of your head, will be tightened if you have rounded shoulders. With this stretch, you can make this muscle stronger. For doing this stretch, you should stand with your shoulders down and back. Gently pull your right ear toward your right shoulder. You can put your hand on your hand to give your neck more support. Then stretch your neck to the side. Hold the pose for 20 seconds, and repeat the action for 3 sets. Number 2. Chest doorway stretch. This stretch will directly affect your shoulders. This move has been suggested by many physical therapists because it opens the chest and stretches the shoulders. Stand with a doorway about 1 to 2 feet in front of you. Bend both your elbows to 90 degrees and raise your arms so your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Place your forearms on either side of the doorway. Step forward, placing one foot on the other side of the doorway. Slowly shift weight onto the front foot until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold. Complete 3 sets for 15 to 30 seconds each, 2 to 3 times a day. Number 3. Reverse shoulder stretch. This stretch is a great choice for those who want to open up their chest and at the same time stretch the shoulders. For doing this exercise, you should have the flexibility to reverse your shoulder. So, while you are doing this exercise, be sure that you do not feel pain. If you have pain, shorten the range of motion. For doing this exercise, you should stand and look straight ahead and put your neck in a neutral position. Put your feet as wide as your shoulders. Then you should clap your hands behind your back while your thumbs pointing toward the floor. Stand tall, open your chest and move your hands back and towards the ceiling. Stop when you feel a stretch in the shoulders and biceps muscles. Hold in this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Release the stretch and return hands to the starting position. Complete 2 sets, holding 20 to 30 seconds each, 1 to 2 times a day. Number 4. Band pull apart. This movement has been suggested by physical therapists for those who want to strengthen their upper back muscles and rear shoulders. For doing this stretch you need a resistance or Pilates band. These bands are available in various types of strength levels. You can choose the one which is appropriate to your level. For doing this stretch you should stand with a straight back, or you can sit on a chair. Put your feet as wide as your shoulders, and it is important to have a slight bend on your knee if you are standing. Hold the band with straight arms in front of you. Squeeze the band slowly by your hands to the sides. Focus on the squeezing, and do it slowly. You should keep your arms straight during the movement. And then return to the starting point and do it again. You should have 10-15 reps on each set. You can do it 1 or 2 times a day. Number 5. Scapular wall slides. The focus of this exercise is on your shoulder muscles. But the minor muscle which is affected by this pose is your chest and your neck. It will increase your flexibility in the shoulder and back area. Stand with your back against a wall, arms at your sides. Make sure your head, upper back, and glutes are in contact with the wall. Your feet will be slightly away from the wall. Raise your arms overhead and press them into the wall, palms will face out with knuckles touching the wall. Bend the elbows to 90 degrees, while keeping arms against the wall. This is the starting position. From this position, slowly slide your arms up the wall as high as you can go without your back, shoulders, elbows, or wrists coming off the wall. Pause at the top of the movement. Slowly lower your arms by sliding them down the wall to the starting position, elbows bent at 90 degrees. This movement is slow and controlled. Complete 2 sets of 10 reps, 1 to 2 times a day. As we mentioned earlier in this video, having a good posture is not just about having a good appearance, it is about your health. It's about lots of pains you may experience on your back, neck, shoulders, and even it can cause headaches. Changing your posture to a good posture may not be easy. This is not the thing that happens in one day. So, you should practice a lot to correct your posture. Do not hesitate to start it right now. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.